If you're wondering how to customize Outgrow templates to fit your needs and brand perfectly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about tailoring Outgrow's pre-built templates, and by the end, you'll be customizing them with confidence. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be revealing a special bonus that you don't want to miss. First, let's get started with the basics. Outgrow is a powerful tool for creating interactive content like quizzes, calculators, assessments, and surveys. It allows you to use templates as a starting point, making the whole process faster. But customization is where you really make it your own. You can tweak templates to match your brand's voice, design, and functionality. To get started with customizing Outgrow templates, simply sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can start a new project or pick from hundreds of pre-designed templates. These templates are great because they save you time, but they're also highly customizable. Now, when you choose a template, the first thing you can do is adjust the branding. You can change the logo, colors, and fonts to match your company's visual identity. This might seem small, but it plays a big part in making sure the content feels like it's yours. Outgrow gives you an easy-to-use style editor where you can adjust these elements without needing any coding knowledge. Next up, let's talk about the content itself. Outgrow templates are flexible, so you can add or remove questions, fields, and answers to fit your specific goals. Whether you're looking to generate leads or provide personalized recommendations, you have the power to make it work for you. Adding custom text is a breeze, and you can even format it for better readability. But that's not all. You can add multimedia elements to make your interactive content more engaging. This means uploading images, videos, or even embedding media from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Customizing the flow of questions is simple too. You can set up conditional logic, which means the experience adapts to the answers your users provide. This helps you give them more relevant results, making the experience feel more personalized. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, you can move on to testing your creation. Outgrow allows you to preview your interactive content in real time, which is super important before launching it. You don't want any surprises, and previewing lets you ensure that everything functions smoothly. Once you're satisfied, it's time to publish. Outgrow gives you several ways to share your content, from embedding it on your website to sharing it on social media, or even sending it through email campaigns. All of this is integrated, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Now here's the kicker. You can try out Outgrow completely free through the link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you if you sign up through this offer. This is a great way to experiment with the features I've mentioned, and it's an awesome opportunity to see how the platform can elevate your marketing. Remember, customizing Outgrow templates is easy, but you can make your interactive content stand out by taking the time to tweak the details. Don't rush through it. Make sure your brand's personality shines through. And if you're ready to dive in, don't forget that you can unlock an extended free trial with our exclusive offer. So if you're ready to start creating customized interactive content with Outgrow, make sure to check out the link in the description below for that special bonus. And remember, every step you take toward customizing your templates brings you closer to delivering an experience that's uniquely yours. Thanks for watching.